You can create quizzes directly in Blackboard with the surveys and tools by just going in there and creating a quiz, but I find that cumbersome. There is another way to do that. And Blackboard describes it in the instructor help. You can actually upload questions from a text file. And I'm going to tell you real quick how to do that. So there's a couple of different types of questions you can do. And I've tried some of them out. Some of them work in my hands, others not so much. But mostly what we got anyway is multiple choice, multiple answer, true, false, essay questions. I have not tried the ordering. The matching works. Fill in the blank is a little cumbersome, and fill in multiple blanks I have not been able to work. And then I have not done the others. But so there's a file that you can actually download from Blackboard that gives you, this is basically what the sample looks like, what the file is supposed to look like that you create when you want to create a Blackboard quiz. So the first column, you put the type of question. So this is a multiple choice. Then here's the question. And then the format, the way it does it is it's the first answer, and then whether it's correct or incorrect, the second answer, correct or incorrect. So that answer, and then with multiple answers, you can have multiple corrects and incorrects. With true, false, you're simply just saying if it's false or true. Essay questions, it just does it. And so yeah, so you got to play a little bit with this, like the fill in the blank. You have one blank, you have that. The fill in the blank, more than one blank, and like I said, I have not gotten that one to work. But that's the basic gist of it. And so what you do with that, if you once you create this, you then save this as a text file. So you fill it in as an Excel sheet, and then you go save as. And when it comes to saving, you select here, you select tab delimited text, and you save it as a text file. Let's just do that just as a sample. So we're going to save this as a text file. It'll save it with this name right there. This is the tab that it saves. And if you have multiple tabs, if you save it as a text file, it'll only save one of the tabs. And then how you're going to get this into your Blackboard shell is you're going to go into the Blackboard shell. You're going to go into Test Surveys and Pools. Click on Pools if that's what you want to do. Then you click on, and this is the trick, you don't click on Import, you click on Build Pool, and then you call this pool whatever, testing. You say Submit, and then here you say Upload Questions. You browse to wherever your questions are. Format sample. And there's the test that we just did. And it may not allow me to open it because I probably have to close it over here first. Say open. You can give it a sample number of points, but you can overwrite that, and you just click submit. Now, if there's an error, if there's a problem with anything, it stops at that point, and then you can just review the log file and figure out what happened, what went wrong. But then the next thing, when you click OK, you then have these questions already filled in and ready to go. And then you just say OK, and you've got your quiz. And I am in the process of building all the lecture handouts into quizzes like that, so that you can then just upload the I'm gonna upload the text file. You can well, I'm gonna upload the Excel file. It's easier to handle, and you can adjust to however you want to adjust it to, and then upload it for your purposes. And I hope that is going to help.